Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy process on how to log out of FTX Wallet using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log out or sign out of your FTX Wallet application using iPhone, first, make sure that you are inside the main home page. Once you're inside, tap on the gear button located at the upper right-hand corner and tap the settings button at the lower left. Scroll all the way down until you see a sign out button and give it a tap. Once you do that, you'll be signed out of your FTX Wallet application using iPhone. To log in back again, you'll need to go ahead and enter your credentials for your FTX Wallet. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.